Unlike typical drones, the TM-200 can adjust the angle of its propellers during tilt, allowing it to hover in a tilted position, either up or down. The rifle drone is equipped with an image-based targeting system and a fire control device, enabling to track and accurately aim at targets in real time. With the automatic aiming function, the drone automatically fires when the target comes aiming range, ensures precise hits. In addition, the tilting function allows for precise targeting of targets below. The drop drone is equipped with a module that can carry and release bombs. Drop drone is capable of carrying and releasing various types of bombs. Drop drone is combined with an image-based targeting system to track and aim at targets in real time. When the target enters the targeting range, the drone can release the bomb at the precise moment. Additionally, it can release bombs while flying along a route, allowing it to target both stationary and moving targets.